Chub. Chub Chub. Sit. Okay, play soccer. Chub Chub. The ball has bounced. Wait, go get the ball. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? That's my puppy. What are you doing, Chub Chub? What are you doing? What are you doing, Chub Chub? What are you doing? Let's go get the ball, Chub Chub. Come on, Chub Chub. First time down the steps. Oh, what a big boy. Oh, guys, what are you going to do, Chub Chub? Go around in a circle. Chub Chub, what are you doing? Chub Chub is sniffing. Chub Chub, Chub Chub, Chub Chub. I need you guys' help. We need to name him. Sit. We're thinking of either Chub Chub, Fluffy, or Moose. This is going to be in Newfoundland, whatever you want to call him. We need you guys' help. Fluffy, Chub Chub, or Moose. Thanks, you guys. Bye.